art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Rumi in her demon form. So first let's get started with the braid in the center, and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to move up above and just mirror that in the opposite direction. As we move over on the left hand side now, we're going to curve this line around and down, and then we're going to replicate that over on the right hand side. Let's move down and draw in the face. So we're going to start on the side here, bringing this line down and over. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to try and line that up at the same height. Let's close off the bottom now. So starting in the corner, curving this around, we're going to blend that in towards the middle, and then we're going to replicate that over on the right hand side. Now let's draw in some details. So we're going to start right in the center with the nose, arching this up and then back down on the right. And then right underneath for the smile, just drawing in an arch line. Now let's draw in our eyes. So starting on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle, and this is just going to be the highlight in the center of our eye. And then we're going to move over on the left and replicate that. Now let's draw on the rest of the eye. So stepping up on a slight diagonal, we're going to curve this around, bringing this all the way up and then in on top. And we'll do the same thing on the left. Now from here, we're going to continue this on the bottom line, arching this around and then down. And we'll do the same thing on the left. And then we're going to connect this together. So we're going to start back on our top line, and we're going to bring this line around, curving that out for the eyelash, bringing that back in. And then we're going to do the same on the left. And now from that point, we're just going to bring this line back down, connecting that together on the bottom. And then from here, we're just going to color in all of that black, leaving Now that we've drawn in our eyes, let's draw in the eyebrows. So stepping up above in the corner, we're going to curve this line out, over, and then back down at a point. And then we're going to do the same on the left-hand side. Now let's draw in some of the marks on her face. So we're going to draw a slight diagonal line coming out and then bringing that across. And then we're going to follow that pattern, bringing that over and back out. On the bottom, curving this line up and over. Let's move in on the top, drawing in a straight line that comes out. And then we're just going to, from that point, curve that over. And then now from here, we're going to arch this up and through towards the side. Let's move over in the center now. We're going to curve this line down, stepping over, making that slightly longer. And then from here, let's bring our diagonal line out and in towards our right eye. And then we're just going to follow this up from that point, bringing that over and across. We're going to come across on the right, curving this back down and through. Let's step over on the left, replicating that. So we're going to bring this line down, making that shorter on the top. We're going to bring this line over to the left, back down towards our left eyebrow. And then we're going to bring this line back up and through towards the corner. Again, stepping over, curving this out and through. Now let's draw in our ears. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle. Let's draw in the detail in the ear. So we're going to arch this over on both sides. And then moving underneath, we're just going to draw in a small half circle again. For the earring now, on the bottom, let's draw in another circle. Underneath, we're going to draw in some triangles now. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming across, connecting that from the ear. And then we're going to close that off with two diagonal lines, just drawing in the letter V. Let's close off the pattern of the hair on the top. So on both sides, we're going to bring this line around and down towards our ear, following the shape of our head. We're going to curve this line out and up. We're going to move down again in the middle. And then one more time on the bottom. Let's continue to braid behind on the top. So over on the right, we're going to bring this line down. And then we're going to do the same, coming slightly off on the left. We'll draw in the body now. So coming down in the center, we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines coming out. And then now let's just close this off with a curved line in the center. We're going to arch this line over and through for the neck on both sides. Now let's draw in the body. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Let's bring this diagonal line back in on both sides. From here now, we're going to draw in a curved line to close that off. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in 2 straight lines coming up above to the middle. Now for the legs, we're going to arch this line over. In the center, curving this through. From the middle, 2 diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to arch this back over and across, just closing off those shorts. Now for the belt, we're going to replicate this pattern, leaving in a gap in the center, and then dropping down. Let's just replicate that one more time. Moving up from the top of the shorts now, let's arch this line through. We'll do the same on the left. For the belt, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines on both sides, and then coming over, just replicating that again one more time. And now for the pockets, let's arch this around and through towards the top. Let's draw in her arms. So we're going to come across and we're going to curve this line over. And then we're going to draw in a slight diagonal line coming through towards the torso. Now from here for the hand, we're going to arch this line up towards the top. And then for the fingers, curving this back around and down. Now let's close off the arms. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out, down, bending that at the elbow, bringing that in. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's draw in some more of the marks over here. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out and then down, following that as we move up, leaving a slight gap. We're going to start on the top here, bringing this line up, over and through, creating a point here, bringing this line down on a diagonal, over and then back down, just following that pattern. And then on the left, let's curve this out and across. Let's do the same on the top here, bringing that out and through. On the top, diagonal line out, down and over, following that as we come through on the bottom. Now on the right, bringing this line over, arching that up towards the torso. Again, curving this down and bringing that over. Closing off the legs on the inside, let's draw in a diagonal line coming out, stepping over, replicating that, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's close off the bottom of the shoe now, curving this line out towards the left for our left foot, and we'll do the same, curving it out towards the right for the right foot. Let's close off the boots with a curved line from left to right. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in 2 more diagonal lines coming over. And then again, just replicating that shape, bringing this back around and through towards the top. Now let's draw in some diagonal lines. So coming down, we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we come through with those diagonal lines. We'll do the same on our right foot. And then now we're just going to go in the opposite direction, replicating that once more. Let's draw on the pattern on her legs. So we're going to curve this line across, back through. On the inside, drawing in the letter V on a diagonal. Stepping over, bringing this line down and across. And then from that point, bringing that line over and through towards the side. Let's come across, curving this over and down. And then from that point, bringing this over, up, and through towards the inside. And then we're just going to curve this line in at a point, bringing that back over. And now lastly, let's just draw in the braid that's going to follow in behind on the left. So we're going to curve this line through at a point, bringing that up on the right. We're going to come below this, replicating that, and we're just going to get slightly smaller with this as we do each one. So now as we come down again, just making that smaller. We're going to bring this one straight down. And then last one, just curving this through towards the top. Now for the hair tie, slightly smaller, curving that through. Now for the bottom of the braid, arching this out and over towards the left. And then from that point, just curving this back, around, and in. And that is it. That's how you draw Rumi in her demon form. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.